Hello boys and girls. Today I'll be reviewing this Catboy toy. And I'm with my little sister Meha. She will be singing with me today. She's very cute and she's a good little sister. She's good. First, let me show you the back of the box. So you can see it has Owlette, the red one, Catboy, the blue one, and Gecko, the green one. We'll be doing Catboy, the center one, the blue one. This is
Catboy.
I don't know what company this is made by, but anyways, you might find this in the stores such as maybe Target, Walmart. Okay, let's get started.
Where did you got
By the way, today's Minecraft night for
Where
me.
did you got that from?
I got it for my birthday, Mia.
Birthday?
Yeah. By the way, guys, today's Minecraft night. Welcome to Minecraft night for today. Dun 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 dun.
So funny you are.
Good, Meha.
What is that? What's that?
I'm opening it.
What? Yes, you. Oh, he's a superhero. He looks like a superhero.
Of course, my sister likes PJ Masks.
Excuse me.
What, Meha?
Just do your thing. It's not my stuff.
I'll have to probably tear this. I'll be right back and try it.
I like you guys.
Meha. What should we do to open this?
Yeah, we just.
Okay, I got it out. Good. Finally. Oh, you want to look at it? Look. Okay, Maya will hold it for some time. Good. It's okay. It's okay, Maya. But let's hold it together. Let's hold it. Okay, hold it close to the screen, like right here, Maya. Good. So I'll just, so you can see. So you see, it has blue eyes. It's mainly blue. And by the way, Catboy, Owl, and Gecko have enemies. Night Ninja, Luna Girl, and Romeo.
Yes, this is.
Night Ninja is just a nighttime person. Romeo's a scientist, and Luna Girl's she likes the moon. So I'll just take over a bit. Like, there's three. Wait, may I bring it in close? By the way, the toy has 3 lines on the head, like white lines, because as if it's running. So it's running, run. By the way, the superpower these superheroes have is Catboy has super cat speed, so he can run really fast. He has super cat ears. Number 2, and super cat jump and super cat leap. He can jump high and he can really like kind of leap.
Excuse me. Let's put it down.
And Owlette she can fly. She can blow strong winds. She can see very well, good eyesight. That's cool. And she can make a wall of feathers to trap. And Luna Girl has a Luna Magnet, which she can capture things in its beam and then take it wherever she goes. She has a Luna board to fly, and she has moths, which are little butterflies that come out at night.
Excuse me, come on, talk.
And then Romeo is a scientist, so he can do a lot of naughty stuff. Night Ninja, not much, but he's a greedy nighttime person. So guys, I hope you enjoyed Minecraft night from me, and I hope you enjoyed my little sister. And,
Come on, talk about
and I hope you see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, bye, Mia?
Bye.
Good.